Hello Austin, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2014 Suzuki GSX-R750, which has 7599 kilometers on it, and the price is $99.99 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle has been fully certified, has a brand new front tire on it. The rear has about 90% on it. Very nice red rims, actually. It's red and black, the red belly pan, the red rims, a fender illuminator. This is the little LED lights for the plate. Here's the VIN number just in case if you need it for insurance to get some quotes for it. And there's a little cable attached to the battery. It's a battery lead, so you can plug the charger or use it as a power supply. So bike is ready to go. If you have any questions regarding this or any other motorcycles we have for sale, please call me back at 905-660-2901 extension 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.